positioning, yeah?
You think I'm going to kill you, don't you?
Well, I hope not.
Oh my god, you're going to be fine. Alright, you're going to be just fine. I'm a safe driver, I can do this.
Now you're making me laugh. Happy? We're going to go to Tesco's.
Okay.
I need more vodka.
You see? I can do this now.
Now then, we're going to take the next turning on the right, okay? Going to ease off a little bit now. Centre mirror, right mirror, indicate right, up to that white line. That's it, nice and tidy up against that white line for me. Look in the distance, look in your right mirror, look in the distance, up to that white line, up to that white line, that's it. And one last look there, and away. Follow the road ahead for me, please.
What are we now?
We're just going to take it easy for a little bit, okay? Before going back onto them fast roundabouts, we're just going to do a nice easy road, just to calm down a little bit.
Yeah, that's a good idea actually.
Yeah? We're just, winding things down a little bit.
Yeah.
Because everything's gone...
Higher opinion, yes, that's my idea.
That's the one, yeah. So relax, just enjoy the drive now, okay?
Enjoy the driving into the woods.
Yes. What now?
Yeah.
What have I done?
Just you and you. Thank God, national, look at that. Thank you.
Yeah, national speed limit applies.
That's the one.
What's the national speed limit for us in a car?
60. 50, 60, yeah.
Yes. What if you were driving a big van? What would the speed limit be?
The van is different because of how much weight will be within it.
Yes.
Van. So with the van it would be like 50.
That's correct, yeah. Well done. Very nice.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Right then. So what we'll do is... I'd like to pull up somewhere. So what we'll do is we'll turn right at the next roundabout, okay? And we'll go back to them busy roundabouts, the big ones.
Yeah.
Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
You ready for it?
I'm ready.
Good. So we're going right to the roundabout, third exit. What are you going to check first? That's it.
And then indicator now.
That's right. 1, 2. Start preparing.
This is new. I haven't been here before.
Yes, you have. Slow it down. There we go. And all the way around the roundabout. Nobody there.
So to that,
That's it. That's well done. Left mirror, left indicator to come off.
It's very strange though.
Off that brake now. That's about right.
There we go.
Just narrow, slow it down a bit. Over to the left a little bit. That's enough. Hold it there. And away. Now then, black and white sign, what does it mean?
Sharp ones.
That's a sharp bend to the left, yeah? So ease off the gas and follow that curve round.
See?
Excellent.
Thank you.
Right then.
See, I could do it.
Yeah.
I could do it. You see?
Just be careful because you can't see round the corner. Okay? So bring that speed down. Just do that. That's better. About there. Okay? Because it is possible for a big truck to appear there. Okay?
Yeah.
So just be prepared for anything and everything. Yeah? That's right.
Oh yeah, no. I know now.
Now then, at the next roundabout, we're going left first exit towards Porthmadog Pwllheli, okay? So look at the sign, that's it. Tell everybody which way we're going.
Porthmadog and Pwllheli.
Left, yeah? Tell everybody we're going left. That's right. Quick look over there. Slow it down. Get ready to stop. That's it. Look to the right. Look at where you're going. Look to the right. Have we got time to go? Yes, we have. Let's go. We're going left. Left.
Jesus.
Left.
Oh my gosh.
That's it. Following that left curb if you're going left.
Jesus Christ.
Follow that white car. And we're back on the bypass, okay?
Yes. Now I can calm down now.
You can calm down now and do 60.
Literally, you confused me because I was trying to watch and knew what I was doing. But you were like, look at me, it's like, I'm getting dizzy at the same time. I was like, what the hell is going on?
We're just looking to the right,
Yeah.
to see if there's anything coming, because we have to give their priority, yeah? You know this. Now then, anywhere between 55 and 60, okay?
Yeah.
Happy? We're going to go to Tesco's.
Okay.
I need more vodka.
Jesus, okay.
Straight ahead of the roundabout, second exit, okay? Yeah, second exit straight ahead. Pwllheli, Porthmadog, see it?
Yeah.
That's it. Who's behind us?
One car over back.
Start assessing over there. Yeah?
So we're going this one, yeah?
Wait, yeah, straight ahead, second exit. Slow it down. Slow it down now. That's it. Look at that Volvo over there. Behind the Volvo,
What the hell is Volvo?
that's that car there, okay?
Okay.
Behind that car, anything?
No.
Let's go. Stay in the left. That's it. Left mirror, left indicator, gas.
He didn't anyway. Don't even know to you, taking me. Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, it's just because they see the L plates and they instantly want to be in front.
You know, I want to be good, so start when you know that line.
Nice positioning, well done. And we're turning left into Tesco's. 1, 2, slow it down. There we go. We got up to 26 and a 20 then. Slow it all the way down now. 5 miles an hour, keeping in the left, okay? And we're going to turn left here.
This one.
Left here. Look at the curb. That's it. Scan everywhere. No more than 5 miles an hour, okay? Keep it in the left.
We're going to pass.
That's it. Just go down that way for me. That's it. We're going to go round this car.
This one.
That's it. Go round this car. Round there. That's it. Well done. And what we're going to do is we're going to reverse into that middle parking bay there. Okay? We're going to reverse into the middle one.
This one.
That's it. The middle one. That's it.
Okay.
So, straighten the car up. Straighten the car up. Tiny little bit further forwards for me. Tiny little bit further forwards. Stop up there. That's it. So, 1, 2, 3 parking bays, okay? Pop it into reverse gear for me.
Can we see? There we go.
That's it. Full lock left now. Anything behind us?
No, we are good.
That's it. Any kids over there?
No, we are good.
Have a look over your shoulder. That's it. Blind spot checks, both of them. There we go. Just ease off that brake. Nice and easy. Take your time. Super duper slow. Yeah? Right, then have another look over there. Just in case there's a kid on a scooter or something. Right, give me half a turn that way. Anything coming that way? That's it. Now another half a turn that way for me. Super slow. That's it. Well done. Now then, steer that way for me now. And that way a little bit. That's it. Super slow. Now steer that way for me. Now straighten the steering wheel up. That's it. Well done. Just ease off that brake. Just keeping an eye on that curb now. Stop. Handbrake on into neutral. How are you feeling?
So overwhelmed.
Stressed out? Yeah?
Overwhelmed, I can say overwhelmed.
Do you want to use the loo in Tesco's?
Yeah, in a minute, but I'm just going to be overwhelmed now. So stressful. was perfect for me at least.
Was a little bit, but things were happening quickly, and I have to speak quickly when things are happening quickly. Yeah, because sometimes I need to get over to you information of what to do, where to look. Yeah. Until you start doing it on your own, then I can start shutting up. Yeah. Once you start doing it on your own, then I will. Yeah. Cool.
Well, I think the most complicated problem is the, when direction the lanes, and you keep the direction lane. You tell me that I don't know, I went to one lane. That's the one I get confused on.
The basics is if you're going left or straight ahead of the roundabout, left lane.
Okay, so I've gone into the left.
Stay in the left lane. On the approach, stay in the left lane. The only time that changes is if there's big arrows on the floor telling you to use the right lane. Okay. If those big arrows on the floor are not there, use the left lane. Okay. So the actual words are: use the left lane on the approach for going left and straight ahead.
I'm going to third section or not? Or just
look straight ahead, second exit, okay? A normal, left, straight ahead, right roundabout, okay? Some have got 5, 6 different exits. It's different rules for them. We'll go over them once we've got the ordinary ones done first, okay? Once we've got the ordinary basic ones done first, then I'll move over onto the really complicated ones, okay? Spiral roundabouts and double roundabouts and
there's actual spiral roundabouts.
Spiral roundabouts,
What? So instead of going there.
Right, I'll show you a spiral roundabout quickly, okay?
I've never even heard of spiral roundabout before.
Bear with me a second.
It's 4. That's 4 or 5.
Just shut up for a minute. That's a spiral roundabout.
How are you inventing that?
Okay.
What? So if you're going to go into...
Right then. So you got 3 lanes on the approach. Not 2, not 1.
Okay.
Got 3 lanes. Have a guess if you're going left, which lane you're going to be in.
You're going to the left.
Yeah, have a guess. Are you going to be in the left? That's right. If you're going straight ahead of the roundabout, the middle one, that's right. Have a look at the lines. If you stick to the lines, it'll throw you off. Yeah? At the right time. And if you're going right, if you're going right, it'll throw you off, okay?
So what is this? What is that?
That's a spiral roundabout, okay? You only get them in big cities and that, but you could have large roundabouts like that, okay?
Okay.
So you got what? You got 1, 2, 3, 4,
yeah.
4, and 5 if you're going back home.
So if you get this right, so if you're gonna go this section, you're gonna go this.
Okay. I don't want to cover this just yet because I want to get the simple one sorted first, okay? But basic rules of a roundabout is, okay? Imagine a clock face, okay?
Yeah.
So straight up at the top is 12 o'clock, yeah? 90 degrees to the right is what time? What time is it on the clock? 3, 6, 9, okay? So anything beyond 12 o'clock, approaching the right,
okay.
But don't indicate right unless you're turning right.
So going like that, then when you're ready, passing the junction.
That's right. Once you're passing the exit before the one you want, you must do what?
Okay.
Check the left mirror.
Must.
Then indicate. Then go. Okay. Go and have a pee.